A lot of these new computers are missing SD slots and micro SD slots and even TF slots. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the llano F-slot card reader. This is a 5-in-1 card reader, so it literally can read pretty much anything. CF cards and micro SD and SD and TF cards and more. It's got everything you need. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're taking a look at the llano 5-slot card reader right here. It looks like we're going to have CF, MS, SD, TF, and M2 right here for cards. USB 3.0, that is USB-C plug and play. Packaging on it looks really nice. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is the user manual right here. And it looks like it comes in multiple different languages, so don't worry, they got you covered, but this is how you get the most out of the product. Next up, we have a USB-A to USB-C right here. Very, very cool that this is included, but this is what will plug you into the computer. And don't worry, an adapter is included, so super cool. You'll be able to plug in the USB-A into the C, so this device is going to work on USB-A computers as well as USB-C computers, so very, very nice. And finally, the product itself. Look at that, designed for cameras right there. That's so cool because so many cameras come with so many different cards. So right here, you'll be able to plug it into the USB-C to connect it to your computer. And then on the back, wow, look at all that, jam-packed full of all the cards that you're gonna have that you need to read. But let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the llano 5-in-1 card reader, CF, SD, TF, MS, and M2.5 card slot. Llano 5-in-1 card reader supports the CF or compact flash, the Transcend, the SD, the SDHC, the SDXC, the micro SD, the micro SDHC, the micro SDXC, the MSD, the MSD UO, MSD Pro, MSD Pro Duo, and M2 cards. Features a USB-C interface, so it's designed for photographers and is widely compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. With 5 GB of high-speed transfer, this multi-card reader features a USB 3.2 Gen 1 high-speed protocol with a Type-C interface bandwidth of up to 5 GB per second and read speeds up to 104 megabytes a second, offering high efficiency and time-saving features suitable for both office work and photography. And you'll be able to read 4 cards simultaneously. That's right, this memory card reader supports simultaneous readings of the CF, SM, SD, micro SD, TF, or M2 cards for one-click batch file export. It is compatible with memory cards up to 2 terabyte, enabling fast data transfer, perfect for photographers and content creators. But do keep in mind the TF and the M2 shares a single card reader interface and cannot be used simultaneously. And with that tripled layer data protection, the llano card reader has built-in fuse resistors, safety circuits, and high-quality chips to provide triple layered protection for memory card data integrity, effectively preventing short circuits and data loss, ensuring safer data export. And it's plug and play, so the USB-C SD card reader supports OTG, allowing direct reading of photos, videos, and files from the CF card from the different card ports without any additional drivers, software, and network needed, and then transferring them to smartphones, laptops, or desktop computers. And of course, llano is going to give you complete customer support, so you can get detailed setup videos, FAQs, and comprehensive 24-month protection plan, unlimited support, and personalized help. So I gotta say, this thing is like a requirement for any photographer or videographer. It's just so perfect. So I gotta say, wow, llano, great job. As you know, we've worked with llano in the past multiple times, and the products are always fantastic. They're super nice. Llano is so cool because they make so many different kinds of products, from HDMI transmitters to these 5-card slot readers. So we want to give a huge shout out to llano for working with us again and sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!